Traditional welding training has always been linked to long studying hours, burn risks, numerous repetitions, emissions, and high costs. The trade has been stagnant for too long, and new technologies hold the key for a necessary change. It is time for the next step in welding training. Sodomatic is the first welding training solution powered with augmented reality in the world. The augmented reality technology overlaps information on the real world and uses real welding components to offer the closest to reality simulation experience. Thanks to this technology, trainees can develop manual skills and muscle memory, enhancing their learning process. Sodomatic applies gamification to improve the motivation of trainees, personalized learning to adapt to their personal needs, and green and safe technology to reduce the risks for newcomers and pollution. However, Sodomatic is not just a welding simulator. It offers a whole new learning experience, the augmented training methodology. This new educational paradigm combines augmented reality simulation with theory and tests, and provides instructors with all the tools necessary to monitor the students individually in a simpler way. Sodomatic IE. Sodomatic IE is the third-generation Sodomatic platform. It proposes a flexible software subscription system that adapts to the market needs. Education. Attract the new generation of young people to welding. Train them better, faster, safer, and reducing costs. Bring a non-qualified resource to a certification level of welding experience. Advanced. Bridge the gap with industry. Train in AR with competition multi-joints and different industry applications. Prepare welders for international welding competitions. Industry. Improve the productivity of real welding operations on the field and reduce the failure rate in industry recertification processes. Train welding professionals with personalized processes and increase their productivity while reducing retraining costs. Start digitizing your